How to check your trade history on Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to check your trade history on Bybit. So here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Bybit app or visit the Bybit website and sign into your account. After you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. And inside the Assets tab, if you have made any transactions, it will be displayed over here. Here, you'll be able to view your markets such as spot, derivatives, or another trading account. You can use the available filters if you have any kind of a trade history. So that's it, there you have it. You'll be able to find it inside the Assets tab. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.